Hi everyone, I'm just going to give you a quick talk about CAT6 cables. I'm at one of our properties where we've installed CAT6 cables and I'll just show you where we at. Just heading into the boiler room. This will be mounted, but these cables here are all the CAT6 cables. That's the TV. This here is a switch which connects it all together, and this yellow one connects all the way down to the Vodafone router as well. So each one of these cables is going to one of the bedrooms, into the living room, and also into the hallway where we can install a Wi-Fi repeater. So why do we do that? Now, CAT6 cables, or previously called CAT5 cables, because they're with the older versions, we would put it in a property when internet speed is important, when it's important to the tenants, let's say contractors who need secure internet connection, or gamers who need really good speeds and low lag latency. Once it goes to each room, one thing to remember is put it close to where the table is going to be or where they're going to be using it. Otherwise, if you put it in the incorrect place, it's going to be quite inconvenient, and then the tenants will start to run cables all the way around the whole room. When getting it installed, make sure you speak to an electrician who knows how to end it correctly. So they know how to put the end plates and they know what to do, rather than just putting the cables there and expecting you to deal with it afterwards, or a IT technician to deal with it afterwards. Not all electricians know about this. The other thing to think about is when you start putting in all the cables for each one, you need to buy a switch, and a switch connects it all up so that it talks together. You can't, often the router switch that you have for the Vodafone or whichever company you have only has about 4 or 5 ports, and that's not sufficient, so you need a different one. Hopefully that helps.